Hey kids, it's the flexing math teacher here again. I wanted to give you a little help with the first question on the assignment I'm going to get you to do today called Patterns, Patterns, and Patterns. I also included a PDF copy of this work as well that you can view. So the first question, all the questions on the assignment ask you to come up with algebraic expressions, equations, and then solve by substitution. I'm going to go to my whiteboard here. The first diagram, I'll just move this wool. The first diagram, or the first question asks you to compare diagrams and stars. And if you look at the question, the first diagram has 3 stars, the second one has 5, and then it goes 7, 9, 11. And then, of course, the key thing to look at is how is the pattern increasing? It's increasing by 2 every time. And that gives you the clue to the algebra, the connection between the diagram and the stars. So that tells us we're going to start off timesing by 2, times by 2, times by 2. That's always will be the beginning to the algebra equation. But that's not going to be good enough. To get that diagram to equal the stars, you're going to have to add 1, add 1, add 1, add 1, add 1. And if it's the algebra, it'll work every time, right? 1 times 2 is 2 plus 1 equals 3. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 equals 5. They work all the way down. So that's the algebra. The next thing to do in these questions is to write the correct expression and equation. Since diagram is x, the way we show diagram times 2 is 2x. And then you have to add on that plus 1. And for the equation, you just add on the stars, which is y. So it's 2x plus 1 equals y, or y equals 2x plus 1. The last thing you're asked to do in this assignment is to solve if x is equal to 100, and you're asked to solve by substitution. So you take the equation, y equals 2x plus 1, and you substitute in 100 for x. So you work down the page, y equals 2 parentheses 100, and that means 2 times 100. You replace the x with 100, which was the given value that you were supposed to substitute in, plus 1. Using order of operations, that's y equals 200 plus 1, and that's y equals 201 stars. That's what you're going to do for each question in that assignment. I hope you have good luck with it. Make sure you send me a message if you need some help. And have a great day, kids. I'll talk to you later. Flex time.